So here I am back at my code, and I have pasted both the account SID and the authorization token into my program. Now the next thing I want to change is the body of the text message. I will change it to something I actually want to send, which is, my name is Ron Burgundy? With a question mark. Now, for this to number, the comments in the code suggest that I have to replace it with my phone number. So I'm going to select and change this to my phone number with my country code. This, by the way, is also the number I registered with Twilio previously. Then they say that the from number, I have to replace it with my Twilio number. Now, I remember that Twilio actually gave me a phone number, but I didn't quite save it. So if I go back to my accounts page and click on numbers, I can get my phone number from Twilio. All right, back to the code, and now I can change that number along with the country code. Next, I will save and run my program. And this is the phone where I'm going to receive the text message. So I'm just going to give my program a few seconds. Oh, there it is. There's my text message. Let me read it. You probably can't read it, but it says, my name is Ron Burgundy. All right, this just blows my mind that a few lines of code like this can help us send a text message. Okay, so now that this code has worked, let's figure out what's actually going on with this code.